Hi friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel, and today we will discuss about how to make a tractor by using Ticket's practices. And now we will move to its coding. And its coding is I have used its document class is border is 50 point, page size A4 and typeface size 12 point, tickets and standalone. I have also used its geometry and also other packages will be I have used. Now we will move its coding. Its coding is I used begin tickets pictures and tickets pictures. Its path is fill is start from 0, 0 and its rounded corner is 1 point, and make a rectangle whose dimensions are 6, 0.6. From its dimensions also is 0.3 to 0.7. Increment is 0.5, 0 and increment 0, 2. Make arc uh, is make arc 0 colon 90 colon and 0.3, and increment is minus 1.9 0. Also make arc is whose dimensions are 90 colon 180 colon 0.3. Make a cycle and whose dimensions are 0.6 1.9. Its corners will be rounded zero point 0.0 centimeter. As you wish, I want to no, I don't want to round its corners. That's why I have used a zero point 0.0 centimeter. And make a rectangle whose dimensions are 1.9 1, and also its dimensions are 2.9 0.7. Increment is 2.75 0. Also increment 0 0.9 and make arc whose dimensions are 0 colon 90 colon 0.3. Increment minus 2 minus 2.45 0. Make a cycle whose dimensions are 5.75 0 0.9 and make a rectangle whose dimensions are 0.15 0.5, and also its dimensions are listed below here. Now we will fill blue. We will make its wheels whose dimensions are 1.55 0.1, and the color of wheels is blue. I wish to make its color is blue. And circle whose radius is 0.87, and also another circle other wheel its dimensions is 4.65 0.1, and its radius is 0.87. Now we'll fill a path even odd rule, in which we use the dimensions of the boundary of wheels, in which we use 1.55 0.1 circle, make whose radius is 0.8, and 1.5 0.1 circle whose radius is 0.3. Means one will have two circle. One one is whose radius is 0.8 and other is 0.3, and other will second will first is first two lines for this, and other two lines for second one wheel, and whose dimension is 4.65 0.1 circle is 0.3, and 4.65 0.1 our circle of radius 0.8, and tickets pictures. We will move to run and compile it. Friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.